Alright, y'all. These are our date balls. Now, I'm telling you, they are not hard to make. They're very easy. It took me about, I think this is about 3 dozen. And it took me about an hour. And y'all, if you love dates, you're gonna love these. Like, they are, I mean, they're really good. And the colder they get, the better they are. They're so good. Y'all give them a try.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my little channel, Missy's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Cooking. Y'all, Christmas is really close now. We will be doing our Christmas about a week later, just so that everything can get done, everybody can be here, all of that. But we are making an old-fashioned treat today, one that some of you will know, one that others won't. It is from way back in the day, back when I was a kid growing up, and I have carried on this tradition. Make sure my mic's on, y'all. And they are so, so, so good. These are, they're called different things, but they're date balls. Now, some people call them dog turds. Now, I don't know why they do that. I might be getting it wrong. That might be a term for the crescent cookies that are sometimes rolled into balls. They got the nuts and stuff in them. But that was back in the day. But these are date balls. They are, like I said, they are so good. And these are the dates that we're going to be using. This is your top brand. It makes the best date balls. Y'all, it is so simple, quick and easy. Just, you're going to be amazed. Now remember, my motto, never give up, never look back. And my other motto, when it comes to being in the kitchen and feeding your family, waste not and want not. You will be fine if you repurpose your food and don't waste anything. Okay, y'all. Again, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started with these wonderful date balls. Okay, y'all. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, like I said, we've got our dates. What we're going to do is we want to chop these up really, really fine. My son loves dates. These are so good. They're naturally sweet. They're just so good. I wish I had a way to clip this on my shirt. But anyway, let's chop these up.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving. Putting on the show for everybody to give them a smile that lasts another year. This Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
Okay, so now we have our
Merry Christmas, baby.
and we're gonna add these into
There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells
we
ringing.
want to make sure
How
that the
they're
sugar gets
headed
melted
for
down.
our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day. So let us take this time to celebrate this year, and let's remember it's about the things we share.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 3 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, pour in here. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla to our cake brown sugar mixture, a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna put that in here, and then we're gonna add a little bit of coconut. But I'm basically the
I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing
add
what
the
the
teaspoon
season's all
of our
about.
pure
While
vanilla
the snow is
extract.
gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day.
Add some extra Rice Krispies because I think that it needs it.
This December will be the best, I'm pretty sure. And I am truly yours in every way. So hold bring joy to people in this
I'm gonna add
town.
a little bit of that coconut.
In this way we make the world go round. In December I just let the peace take over. That is what I want. Just a few blocks from you now, I wanna drive. And the snow keeps falling down. Let this Christmas be the best we've ever had. Under a starlit sky, we'll walk around. It's just me tonight, and I'm all yours. We'll be in our happy place. This December will be the best, I'm pretty sure. And I'm truly yours in every way. So just hold me now, it's Christmas time.
Alright, y'all, so I did decide to roll them in the powdered sugar. I think it makes them look a lot more holiday. These are a 1980 treat that you young folks will not know anything about. But hey, if you have never made these, you definitely want to. Now, you could roll some in coconut, but there's already coconut in them. You could add nuts to this recipe. You could add chocolate chip. Well, no, chocolate chips probably make it too rich. But that's what they look like right now. And you tell me if that's not Christmassy. That is very Christmassy. You could even do a red little dusting of like the red glitter sugar on them. In fact, Booker, do you know where that is?
You don't have to do that. They look fun how they are.
Aren't they pretty? Aren't they so cute, y'all? I think they are adorable. And they are so good.
I have people joining in the leads. No one else is joining. No one's saying anything.
Because sometimes it takes a while and not everybody wants to talk. So, some people just like to watch. Spongy Gold is live on YouTube right now. Filming her mom making date balls. Go check the dogs.
Hey!
These are very sticky, but if you spray olive oil on your cookie scooper, it works much, much better. And y'all, I'm telling you, this makes a lot of these because you don't want them real big because they are sweet and decadent. So the size you see me doing right here, you don't want to do any bigger than that.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu?